I want you guys to go to python.org on your browser. So the moment you get there, come across this. Okay, so you want to go to download the latest version. Here we have Python 3.11.1. I think on my system right now I'm using Python 3.10. Doesn't matter anyway. Once it's Python 3, all the language you want to use, applies. So click the button and let's have it download. As you can see, so we wait till we have it done. Okay, I might have to pause this video and continue when it's done. So now it's installed. Let's run it. Let's double click on it. Okay, run. Okay, now before we install, you need to check this add python.exe to path. It's very important. You don't want to ignore that. So I want to check that, then install. Okay, so we're going to wait till we have it installed completely. So I'm going to pause the video again to continue when it's done. Okay, so we are back and now it's said setup was successful. So let's close that. Now in our search box, let's try and search for command prompt. Okay, so let's open that. Let's check if we install it properly. So we're going to type Python. Okay, yes, as you can see it here, we have Python 3.11.1 installed. Okay, so now let's search for Python. Okay, here we have Python 3.11. Okay, so I'm going to click on that. Yeah, so here is a command prompt for Python, different from command prompts. Okay, so here now we can try to pass some Python expression here to see what we're going to get. Okay, so let's say you want to do 5 plus 2. Okay, see, give us 7. So these, you can write some codes to test run the Python, but to do the serious work we need to download editor. We need to use in Python. Either we use VS Code or we use PyCharm. In the next video, I'm going to take you guys on how we can install PyCharm.